Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to fix the WordPress not sending email problem. So if you have a WordPress website and you are trying to send emails using the contact form, or you have a WooCommerce website and you want to send emails to your customers when they create their account, they want to reset their password, they want to send an email to you with contact form, they place an order and you want to send the order confirmation. Basically all the important emails except marketing and promotional emails, they are called transactional emails. So the reason why WordPress is not sending those emails by default could be because your hosting provider has blocked email facility. Especially this problem happens if you are using VPS. Email solution is not included with VPS. And even if you are using a hosting that provides email service, their IP reputation may be bad, so your emails will go, but either they will go to the spam folder or they will completely get blocked by the email service provider like Gmail. Because on shared hosting, a lot of websites are hosted and some of them may be abusing the hosting service to spam, and because of that the hosting's server IP got blacklisted and you cannot receive the email sent from your WordPress. I'm going to show you a very affordable and easy solution to fix this, and it's completely free to try for the first 6 months and you can send 10,000 emails. And before we proceed further, I would request you to please check the links in the description. You will find a lot more information about what is SMTP, what is marketing emails, what is transactional emails, and you can also check out my other Zoho mail service tutorial about the mail inbox. And any future updates to this tutorial will be posted on my website because it is not possible to update videos and things keeps changing. So please check the description for any updated information. Now you will find all the links that I'm going to show you here on my website. I will update that here. So first we will need to go to this website, Zoho Zepto mail service. They provide, it is a service for sending transactional only emails. It is not for mailbox or marketing emails. Do not use it for marketing email. For marketing and promotion, you will have to use a different type of service, which I will also explain later in other tutorials. So first, let's understand what is transactional emails. So again, the link will be on my website or in the video description. You can read this. So it is personalized email sent one at a time, and it is a real-time email triggered by user action. Like they create an account on your website and they get a confirmation email or verification email. So for that, and communicate unique information related to the action. So if they create a order on your website, they will get a confirmation email for that action, or complete an agreed upon transaction with the user. So if you scroll down, you can see more information about how it is different from marketing emails. And these are the more accurate examples. So account notification emails like this, user requested emails like password reset, receipts and invoice emails, support and feedback emails, referrals and invites. Okay, so these type of emails are called transactional emails, and it is different from marketing emails. So with Zoho Zepto mail service, they only send transactional emails, so which increases their IP reputation, and most likely your emails will go to the user inbox and not to spam folder. And if it goes to spam folder, it is a paid service, so you can contact the support and they will fix it, but that will not happen usually. So let's talk about the pricing now. For it is free to try. You will get this. Your first credit is free, so you get one credit free if you sign up, and one credit equals to 10,000 emails, which will be valid for 6 months from purchase. So it's super cheap, and this is in my local currency INR. If you are from US or other country, the pricing will be in your local currency. So for US, it costs $2.5 only for one credit, which means for $2.5 you can send 10,000 emails in 6 months. So I think this is super cheap. You're paying like few cents per month, and this is much better than the free solution if it works. So let's try how these things work, and let's click on the try for free option here. So you will have to sign up. It's really easy. I already have an account, so I will use that to sign in. So after creating an account, you will see this process. Just take the terms and conditions page. If you want, you can also read this. It will be a good idea to actually read what type of emails are allowed and not. It is not very long terms and conditions. Okay. So then click on set up Zepto mail. Here I will select WordPress and put your domain name here. Then click on next. Here you will see this message, your mail agent has been created, and now we have to verify that we own this domain, and for that we will have to add these DNS records. So it's they have made things very easy how to do it. So select the your DNS provider from here. For example, I'm using Cloudflare, and if you're using any other provider, you can select that, or if you have any trouble, please post in the comments and I will try to help you with that. It's really easy. The process is very same, almost same, but depending on the interface of your domain registrar, it will be slightly different. So let me show you how to do it with Cloudflare. Open your Cloudflare dashboard, then go to DNS. Okay. Now from here, you have to create this SPF record. Copy it from here, and to create a new record, you just have to click this add record option. From here you can select SPF and then put at the rate here, then the content. Okay, so that's how simple it is. You can also find the instructions here. You can, this is the txt type record and these are the instructions. So for other providers you may also select it like this, select txt here and then select at the rate and put content here. Okay, and then click on save. Since I'm already using other services also, so I already have this record here. You can see this record. So I will edit it and add the new information and then click on save. Again, go back to Zepto mail. Similarly, create the DKIM record. Let's click this. This is a TXT type record. Go here and select TXT, put in name, put this, and from here copy this value, in value put this. Okay, now click on save. It has been created. Again, let's go back here. Now we have to create a CNAME record. So we have to click host bounds. Then copy the value. And if you're using Cloudflare, remember to turn off the proxy for these records. Click on save. Okay, now let's verify if these records have been updated or not before clicking on this verify option. So for this, we are going to use a website called lookmydns.com. This is a free service. You can use it to check your website DNS records. If you have migrated your website, you are adding DNS records, or you created a new website. Let me show you how. For example, I want to check this record. So I will copy it from here. I will paste it, then put dot your domain.com. Then you can see this was a txt record. So I will select txt from here, then click on find. You can see this is the record we just added and it is getting detected by all the DNS resolvers here, and these are located across the globe. So it means that it has been updated. Now similarly, let's we can check the CNAME record too. So I will put bounce, then select CNAME, then click on find. You can see this record is also getting detected, and this txt record. I think you can see this tick mark because I was already using some other Zoho service. So I think because of my previous record, it is already getting detected, but let's try again. Um, Okay, so it is here. Use zeptomail.net. I just added this record and it is getting detected. Do not worry if it looks complicated. I will post how to do it in my blog also, so you can easily do it. Okay, so all our records are getting detected, and now we can click on verify this. Okay, you can see here your domain has been verified. Now we need to add a bounce email address for the mail agent created. So if we send email from WordPress and the user has put invalid email address, so or for some reason it bounces, so this will be the email address where you will get the bounce email notice. So for example, I will simply create an email called report@bounce.smarthelpguides.com and then click on add here. And you can see we are at the last step where you have to set up your device. So there are other simple methods available here. First is this API, then second is SMTP, and the third method, this is for WordPress. So we are going to use their plugin and use the API feature because this is the best and most secure. Let's go to WordPress dashboard here, go to add plugins, and search for this Zepto mail. Click on install now. Okay, so it has been installed. And if you have any other plugin, so first either you can try it on our test WordPress setup, or if you have any other SMTP plugin, you will have to disable that so that there is no conflict issue. For example, I'm using the WP mail SMTP, so temporarily I will deactivate this. That go to plug install plugins here. So it's SMTP, and from here I will deactivate this. Okay, so it has been deactivated. Then I will search for Zepto and activate this plugin. Make sure before deactivating anything you have copy of any information required, and it has been activated. You can see Zepto mail option here. Let's click on it. First you have to select where your account is hosted. To find this, go here and you will see this in the URL. So for example, mine is zoho.eu, so I will select that option from the drop down. Okay, this is the send mail token. From here, copy this send mail token and paste it here. Bounce return path. So we created the report at the rate bounce dot smart guides. You can also see the copy from here and paste it actually. That will be easier. And from email address, so you can, I will select WordPress at the rate smart help guides. You can also put some other email address or create some other from email address like support or your website name at the rate.com. And from here, I will put my website name. Again, you can select what you want to put. And here in mail format, we have to, I will select HTML, then click on save. Okay, so it has been configured successfully. Let's send a test email, then click on send email. So it has been sent. Let me go to my inbox here. Okay, so you can see this is the test email we just sent and it is in my inbox. Test email from Zepto mail. Okay, so I will also try to use some WordPress function to see if the emails are going out or not. For that, let's. So I have configured this system in WordPress. So whenever someone logs into my website, I will get a notification email. So I will try to trigger that and see if this is working to send the WordPress default emails. For that, I will log out and I will directly show you the my Gmail account. Okay, so you can see this is the email I just got and I just logged in and this is the email got. Let's see what are details here. So it has the formatting is a bit off. It has everything in line, but you can see here this is the from address WordPress at the rate smartarchives.com and it has been sent to my Gmail. And you can see here mailed by bounce.smartarchives.com, signed by smartarchives, and it is marked as important according to Google Magic. Let's see the headers. Show original. Okay, so here the most important thing, the SPF record is passed, DKIM, DAM, ARC. If you want to learn more about what these records are, you can check out my website. But in very simple terms, this means if these records are not passed, if any of this test fails, that increases the chance of your emails going to the spam folder. So this allows to verify. This allows Gmail to verify that this email actually came from our WordPress, our domain, not from some spammer. And okay, so I will also send a test email to a mail testing website and show you the test records of the service. So this is the mail tester website and it allows you to check the spamminess of your emails. Basically it will again verify the headers and everything and give you a score out of 10. So let's copy it from here. I will go to WordPress dashboard, go to Zepto mail, test email, and send this. Hello, this is a test email. Let's click on send mail and mail has been sent. Let's go here and then click on check your score. So you don't have to mandatorily check your email from this website. This is just for information purpose and testing how well this transactional email service is. Okay, wow, that this is great. We got 9.5 out of 10, and the 1.5, I think, let's see the reason for that. So you can see here the reasons for this. If I find anything about this, I will post an update in the video, sorry, on my website. So I think it is some for minor reason. We can check that later. So we are not blacklisted. There is no broken links. This is the message we sent. It came from WordPress, and you can see the bounce address is included here. This is the HTML version, and this is the source. You can see the everything important here. So we are not fully authenticated. It is showing. Okay, so it is showing that we are not authenticated because of the reverse DNS is not matching. But you don't have to worry much about this because we already got a 9.5 score, which is good. And I will update about this because we are using external service. So that's why the host name is this different. I will check and update this and your message can be improved. This was a test email, so there's nothing to worry about this. So I hope you guys found this video useful and please let me know your feedback in the comments and share your experience, how you like the service, if this solved your problem. And since it is completely free to try, there is no issue. And you can, yeah, I think their offer is also very generous. You can send up to 10,000 transactional emails. So for 6 months, I think for normal website, 10,000 emails are a lot. And after that, if you like the service, you can continue to pay. It is super cheap, and compared to free option, you don't have to deal with all the hassles and you're getting a great service for just few cents per month, I think this is worth investing. Do let me know your feedback in the comments. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next video.